Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to log into your HDFC Bank account online. So this is super convenient if you want to check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, or just manage your account without ever going to a branch. So first up, head over to the official HDFC Bank website. So make sure it's the real website by confirming the URL. So next, you're going to have to click on the net banking login option. So you will then be asked to enter your customer ID. So simply take your time and type it in correctly. And after that, you're also going to have to enter your password. So if this is your first time logging in from this device, HDFC may also send a one-time password, which is also known as your OTP. So this is going to go straight to your registered number or email. So simply type that code in and you're all set. And once you're logged in, you can then view your account balances, transfer money, pay bills, and set up recurring payments, and even download statements. And don't forget guys, always make sure to log out after you're done, especially if you're on a shared or public device. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.